Okay children, we go for a next interesting exercise children. This exercise will going to make you so interesting as well as so informative, isn't it children? So far we have learnt the many words and spelling, isn't it? And we done the many exercise, isn't it children? It helps you to lot to improve your spelling skills, isn't it children? Yes, it will improve your spelling skills very lot. Okay, you can write any spelling using the phonic sounds. Okay, if we say phonic sounds correctly, then we can write the spelling very correctly. Okay, let's go into this exercise. See, it's very colorful exercise, isn't it? Okay, let's see the exercise. First, read the heading. Look at the pictures. We want to look at the each and every picture. And next step, circle the correct final blend. They have given in the heading itself. We want to circle the correct final blend. Isn't it children? Okay, the first step is to look at the each picture. Okay, and the second step is we want to circle the final blend. Final blend means final word. Okay, let's see. If you are not able to understand, don't worry. If we do, then you can understand it better. Okay, tell me what is the picture? This is not a hand, but it's given ST. So this is a wrist. Wrist. Yes, W. R. St. Wrist. Okay, and okay, now tell me what is the final blending word? S T. Very good. So we want to make a circle to yes T, wrist. Okay, let's come to here. What she is doing? She is doing exercise, that I know, but what activity she is doing? What action she is performing? Yes, she is bending, isn't it? Bend. Yes, B. E, and bend. Okay, yeah, so the final blend word is ND, bend. Okay, look at this picture children. Look at carefully. What is this? Yes, this is desk, isn't it? Okay, tell me loudly, desk. Yes, tell me loudly, desk. Okay, tell me loudly. Yes, desk. Okay, tell me the spelling for yes, D. Desk. Okay, the final word will be the SK, isn't it children? Okay, just find out the word where is SK, FT, NT, and the SK is here. So we can make a circle. Okay, let's move to this picture. Listen what she is doing. What activity she is doing? Yes, she is jumping, isn't it? She is jump. So what is the spelling for jump? Yes, you are getting a J sound. Jump. Small, short sound means we have to put U. Long sound means we can write a. If you get a small sound, then you can write a U. Jump. Yes, jump. Just make a circle of it. Jump. Okay children. Okay, listen carefully. One more time I am telling children. This is wrist. 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 This is bend. 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 This is desk. 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 Jump. 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 Okay children, did you understand it very well? Let's move to the next exercise. Tell me. Okay, let's go to the next exercise. Okay children, let's do the next exercise. Listen, look at here children. It's very interesting and very beautiful, isn't it, children? Yes, this is a very interesting exercise, and you're going to learn the many new words, isn't it, children? You're going to learn a many new word. Let's see what are the new word you're going to learn. Okay, listen, children. Just read the heading carefully. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. That is, we want to fill the blanks using the option given in the box. Okay, we want to fill the blanks using the option which is given in the box. Okay, you can able to see this. Yes, what are first, let's see what are the options they given in the box. Okay, this is a box, and what are the options they given? Listen, there is a double E, A, I, and O, A. Okay, when you're seeing the option, you can get some idea what is the options related to. Yes, some of them was telling very correctly, some of them was thinking. Okay, tell me correctly, when you are seeing these options, something you should want to remember. What is this? Yes, the options is having a continuous vowels, isn't it? What is the vowels? What are the letters in vowels? There are 5 vowels, 5 letter in vowels. A, E, I, O, U vowels, isn't it? A, E, I, O, U vowels. Okay, you're having, and then listen, the options having a continuous vowels. E, A, I, O, A, having a continuous vowels. Okay, let's move to the exercise. Okay, you are going to answer me. I'm not going to answer it. You are going to answer me. I'm going to just write it. Okay, tell me, what is this picture? You can able to see this? Yes, what is this picture? This is, yes, where you find this picture? Anywhere you find this picture? I mean this object? Yes, you will find it on cycle, bike, and car, isn't it? Okay, what is this? Yes, this is wheel. Wheel. Okay, having a longer E sound. Okay, if you having a longer E sound, then we want to put E. Wheel. Okay, shall I write it here? Okay. Listen it carefully. We are going to next picture. Listen here. When boy and when girl is reading, isn't it? What action they are doing? They are read, isn't it? They are reading the books, isn't it? Okay, the R was given, and here the D was given, and the left or the middle 2 word was missing. Okay, if they're doing read, then what word will come in between the R and D? Can you guess it? Okay, if you're not having any idea, just apply the options in the box. Just apply it. Read, not a read. If you meant like a wheel means it's kind of read. It's not a read. It's a read. You want a sound. You want E sound as well as A sound. Read. Okay, you're getting a EA. Where is EA? Yes, they're having. EA was given in the option. Shall I write it here? Yes. E, A, read. You're having a E sound as well as A sound. Read. Okay, let's move to this picture. What is this? They are working as a team. They are working as a team. Okay, tell me the spelling for team. Like a read, it's also having a E sound as well as A sound. Team, T. What is the spelling for T? Long T, E sound. Am, team. Okay, let's do the next picture. Go for the next picture. He's a man, and what he's doing? He's a man. What he's doing? Yes, he is Sweeping. Very good. He is sweeping the floor or sweeping the road, anything. Okay, now this is you're going to do this. I'm not going to do this. You want to find out that whether double E are going to come or EA going to come. When you put EE, then will become a sweep. When you put EA, then will become a sweep. Okay, you are going to do this. I'm not going to touch this. Okay, I'm going to the next picture. This is, what is this? You will find it out easily, very easily. G for, yes, sometimes we will tell G for grapes and sometimes we will tell G for, yes, G for goat. Very good. G, the G and T was given and the middle 2 dash was here. Go. Okay, let's tell me the spelling for go. G was given. What is the spelling for O? Is O. At. What is the spelling for at? You know already. We have seen before itself. At. Very good. A. T. Goat. Very good. Okay, let's move to here. What is this? This is a mailbox, isn't it? What is this? This is a mail. Yes, you are getting a sound. Mail. I sound. Yes, you are getting a I sound. Mail. Very good. Okay, look at this picture. This is a chain. For chain, CH, first 2 letter was given and a 2 dash was left over. You want to fill this and then the ending word N was given here. Chain. Okay, just tell me the spelling for cha. CH was given. Cha. Yes, yes sound. Next, tell me the spelling for in. No, E sound. If you are getting E sound, then we want to put a I, isn't it? In cha, in chain. Okay, let's do the next exercise. Listen it carefully. What is this? You know it. Tell me. Yes, some of them are telling correct, some of them are thinking, some of them are telling very wrongly. Okay, just look at the picture carefully and just say the correct answer. The first sketch word was given and the 2 blank dash and the last letter P was given. Look at the picture and listen it carefully. Yes, this is sheep. Okay, you are getting something a longer sound. Sheep. Yes, you are getting a E sound longer. Okay, if you want a E sound longer, they have the option double E. So, shall I write a double E here? E. Sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Okay, let's move to the next picture. Listen, what is this? Yes, this is a this is a bread. But what bread is this? What the bread process? What a process is going using the bread? Yes, they are toasting. Yes, toast. The T, first letter T was given and the 2 word was left over and ST, the ending word ST was given. Toast. Okay, tell me first the spelling for toe. Yes, O sound. Ost. Yes, means ye. Toast. Okay, let's look at this picture. What is this? You can find out easily in rainy season. You can find this anywhere. In rainy season only you can find anywhere. What is this? This is snail. Okay, let's write the spelling for snail. The first 2 letter was given and the 2 letter blank word was left over and the ending word is L. Okay, now tell me the spelling for sna. What is the spelling for sna? Yes, sound. Snail. Yes, I-L. Snail. Okay, you can find it on a rainy season, isn't it? On compound walls, on a floor, you can find it as snail. Okay, let's tell me the spelling for each and everything. Listen it carefully. Wheel. W H E E L. Wheel. Read. R E A D. Read. Goat. G O A T. Goat. Chain. C H A I N. Chain. Toast. T O A S T. Toast. Team. T E A M. Team. Sweep. W S E E P. Sweep. Mail. M A I L. Mail. Sheep. S H E E P. Sheep. Snail. S N A I L. Snail. Okay, children, do you understand? Let's move to the next exercise. Okay, let's move to the next exercise.